Are you a shop owner, tutor, service provider, or small business owner? Managing GST, licenses, and income tax filing can be a time-consuming and stressful job for you. Afin Advisory presents the Local Business Compliance and Tax Filing Kit, a complete solution to handle your GST, partnership, agreements, bookkeeping, and ITR filings all in one go. Instead of managing services separately and saving a lot of your work, you can go for this kit. What is the Local Business Compliance Kit? This kit is designed specially for local businesses and proprietors. It ensures all your tax compliances, filings, GST compliances, partnership deeds, bookkeeping, and professional handling, so you can focus on running your business smoothly. What is included in this kit? First, GST registration. Get your GST and start invoicing legally. We take care of GST application via official portal, address verification and ARN tracking, officer follow-ups if required, delivery of GST and login credentials, PAN India coverage. Second, GST returns. All for the 12 months. Stay fully compliant with your accurate GST filings. It includes filing of GSTR1, GSTR3B for 12 months, input tax credit guidance, timely alerts and monthly reports, peace of mind with no late fees or penalties. Third, partnership deed. Operate your partnership business legally with a compliant partnership agreement. We provide preparation and notarization of the partnership deed, assistance with local authority submissions, digital delivery of executed deeds, fees estimations according to state regulations. 4. Bookkeeping for all purposes. Keep your business finances organized with professional bookkeeping. We handle monthly P&L tracking via Excel or softwares, recording for receipts, purchase and expense, CA reviewed financial data, records readily available for ITR and GST audits. 5th, income tax return filing. We ensure accurate and timely tax filing for your proprietorship. It includes books based on ITR 3 or ITR 4 preparation, reconciliation with Form 26AS, cross-checking of bank statements and records, filing with digital signature if required. 6th, tax planning and consultancy. Plan your taxes smartly to optimize the liabilities. Our experts provide annual ITR preparation and filing support, record reconciliation of financial records, bank statement review, guidance on tax saving strategies, end-to-end compliance and handled by professionals. Okay, then why should you choose this kit? Managing each compliance services individually can be time-consuming and expensive too. With the Local Business Compliance Kit, all these essentials are bundled under one saving service kit. We ensure saving your time, efforts, and peace of mind. Afin Advisory provides you to get your work done by expert chartered accountants and compliance professionals. Afin Advisory deal with transparent and hassle-free processes. We provide timely reminders for all the deadlines. We dedicate our support for your business filings on timely basis. It is perfect for shop owners and local retailers, tutors, trainers, small service providers, small-scale proprietors or partnership. Anyone who wants smooth GST, bookkeeping, tax compliance and support. Ensure your local business stays compliant and stress-free with the Local Business Compliance and Tax Filing Kit from Afin Advisory. Focus on growing your business. We will handle your GST tax filings, bookkeeping and income tax filing efficiently. call us at 9193929390 or visit us at www.afinadvisory.com. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more small businesses and tax compliance tips.